Good morning, everyone, and this is my February 15th entry. So, when I got home on February 14th, I did give flowers and chocolates to my brother, and right after that, I played online games. So, instead of sleeping or adhering to my schedule, I didn't manage to follow that, so I just stay awake around 2 p.m. So usually I sleep around 10 a.m. in the morning, but I didn't manage to follow that. So I stay up late in general sense, but I eventually got tired and fall asleep, and then my body naturally wake ups around 6 p.m. in the evening, and then I managed to stay awake until now. So right now is my day or my time frame for me to eat, but I'm pretty spent. All the money that I cash out or all the cash that I have has been used to buy things. So right now I do not have any cash in me, probably coins amounting to less than $1. But what I essentially want to do right now is go outside and cash out, or if it is really good, I might pay online for food that I am planning to buy, because right now I haven't eat, and yesterday I ate only a little bit, and I didn't, or I break my fast. So essentially my weekend is sinful day because I break my fast as well as I stay up late, but I think it's pretty much worth it because I'm really happy, not really happy, content, and with the things that I want to do. And yesterday and the previous day before, I feel like I can control my life, or I have the control on my life. So I'm pretty ecstatic, I'm pretty active, I know what to do during that day. And I've been recently reading or listening to podcasts about living in the moment, because I forgot to sometimes think about the things that happened today, and I might regret it today or in the future. So yeah, right now I'm looking forward to enhance myself, develop myself, so that my future developed self can handle my future outcome, but at the same time not confident,